Hi boys and girls. Let's do our blending board. So that's where we say all the sounds of the letters and then we blend them all together to read the words. So I have my blending board here. I have my letters all lined up. So let's start. All right. So let's take a look at the first letter. We're going to start over here. We always read from left to right. So this one is R. We know R says R. We have right? Let's put it together. You do it. Now let's read it. Rim. Rim. All right. How was that one? Pretty good. You getting warmed up? Let's try this. What if we do this? Now what do we have? Say your sounds. Let's blend them together. All right, so we have R, I, G. Put it together, it's ig, rig. All right, how about if we change our vowel sound? Now what do we have? Let's try this one. Blend it together. What'd you get? Here's what I got. R, A, G. Rag. Is that what you got too? Let's try. Ooh, we have our digraph there. Who remembers what this one says? What do you think? CH says ch, right? Let's try this. What do you think? Ch, g. Let's put it together. Ch-ug. Chug. Ooh, train kind of makes that sound, right? Ch-ug. Chug. What happens if we do this? Now what do we have? Let's try this one. What'd you get? J-ug. Put it together. Now we have jug, right? How about that? How about what do you think? We have d, g. Blend it together. Dug. I dug a hole in my backyard. How about, what do you think about this? What do you think? Say your sounds. What do you have? All right, here's what I got. Nim. Real or nonsense word? I'm going to say that one sounds like a nonsense word to me. How about this one? What do you think? Here's what I got. B-im. Bim. What happens if we do this? What do you think? So we have bum. Sounds like it could be a real word. How about switch these up a little bit. What do you think? Cut. Please don't cut my paper. What do you think about this? There's our digraph again. He's at the end this time. What do you think? Ch. Ch. Much. I have too much. I Can't eat it all. What do you think? Itch. Itch. Mitch. Is that real or nonsense? What do you think? Let's try this. What do you think? Map. Can you think of a rhyme for map? I can think of tap, lap. How about this one? Does that make a rhyme for map? What do you think? Sap. Real or nonsense? Nope, that's a real one. How about this? I think it's another rhyme. We have cap. So we had map, tap, wrap, sap, cap. You got it. All right. Let's try a couple more. What about if we change our vowel sound? Now what do we have? So we have k, put it together, k, up, cop. All right. What do you think about this one? Let's see the sounds. Put it together, hop. I saw the bunny hop in my yard. All right, let's try. What do you think? Hop? Sounds kind of nonsense to me. How about this one? So we have t. Let's put it together. Hut. How about what do you think on this one? So we have g, t, gut. All right, last one. What do you think? Here's what I got. G, t, got. Well, I got to go. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.